So hello guys and welcome back into a new video. In this video I will show you how to make an extension board at home. So let's get started. So first thing you need is 75 mm PVC pipe. So I have taken the PVC pipe like this. This was the whole PVC pipe. So I have burned it over on the gas and made a shape like this with the help of the PVC pipe. Now you have to cover these ends, both ends. Now I have taken the marking of this 3-pin top plug so that they can fit inside it. So we have to put these all four sockets inside it, and this is the indicator and this is the switch. So let's get started. So first thing you need is you have to take the wire. I will take this type of wire. This is approximately 2 meters. So I will put it inside it. So you can see I have put it inside it this. So you need to tie it like this so it does not go outside. So you need to join the plug. So I will join the plug first. So you can see I am joining the plug. So I have put it one wire inside it. Now I am tightening the screw. Now I am also joining the second wire. So you can see this. Now I am putting the second wire inside it. So I have joined both the wires. Now we need to put it inside this. So this is the second. Now we will cover it. As you can see, I have covered it. Now I will join the screw over it. This is the screw. Now I will tighten it. As you can see, I have joined this. Now let's do the connection. So firstly we have to join the earthing wire. So I will start it there. So you have to, as you need, this is the symbol of earthing. So I will put the wire, green wire inside the earthing because green color is for earthing. Now I am putting the wire. So in all the socket you have to put the earthing wire because it is very important. Now I will put it inside the second socket. I will also tell you how the wires are joined inside it. So I have joined the wire inside the second socket. I am joining the wire inside the last socket. Second last socket, sorry. So guys, as you can see that I have joined all this earthing wire in 4 sockets. So now we have to join the neutral wire. So I will start. So I will first remove its outer covering. Now I will join it in. You can see on the socket it is written N. So I will put the black wire here. You can use any color wire. It's not necessary that you have to use the black wire. So I will put the wire here firstly. So I have put the wire inside it. I have put the wire inside the first socket. Now I am putting the wire inside the second socket. So you can see that I am putting the wire inside the second socket. So it is the second socket. Now you have to do the same procedures with all these 4 sockets. Joining the wire in the third socket, as you can see. So guys, I have joined it in third socket. Also now I am joining it in the last socket. So this is the last socket. You can see that. So this is the last socket, and I joined the neutral wire in it. So guys, you can see that I have joined the neutral wire in all these 4 sockets. The connection are very easy. You can easily do this. Now we will take this blue wire and we will put in the line. Here is the neutral and the line. So I will join this blue wire in the neutral line. So we have to also use a switch. So now put it the wire in the first socket. Now I am tightening up the screw. I have tightened the screw. Now I am joining it in the second socket. I will join in the second socket. So guys, as you can see that I have joined this blue wire in all the 4 sockets. That is the line wire. So now I will do the connection in the switch. As you can see, so the connection in the switch is very easy. You have to take the one wire of the circuit and put it inside it, and the wire from the AC. You can see this one joining the wire. So opening the screw. Guys, as you can see, I have joined one wire of the circuit. Now I will join one wire of the AC inside this. The connections are very easy. Anyone can do this. As you can see this, now we have to take a small piece of the wire to join the indicator also. So I will remove the outer cover, as you can see. So firstly we have to take this indicator. Now I'm putting the wire. We are to make it like this. While I'm joining this wire inside the switch. So guys, now I am explaining its connection. So first of you can see this is the earthing phase. Now we have to connect this green wire in all the earthing phase. As you can see, these are all the 4 sockets. We have joined the earthing phase. Now this is the neutral wire. Now we have to join the neutral wire like this, and so I have this indicator. So I have taken one wire in it. So this is the direct AC current. So as this is the line wire, one is going second, third, fourth, and coming in the last one. So guys, make sure that you have not done any of the incorrect connection because it can lead to a short circuit. So let's join. Now you have to join this in this all sockets in this one. So I'm going to.
So guys, as you can see this, I have joined all these sockets. So now I will join it in the main switchboard. So guys, as you can see, I have joined the extension board, the wire of the extension board in the main switchboard. So now I will show you. As you can see that I have joined the wire of this extension board in the main switchboard. Now I will join my phone in all these sockets. You can see the switch is also working. So I will join it in this. So guys, you can see it is working. The first socket is working. I will put in the second socket. As you can see, the second socket is also working. So guys, you can see that the third socket is also working. Now in the fourth. So guys, you can see that the fourth socket is also working. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please make this extension mode as it is very easy to build this. Thank you.